Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese chives with egg and tofu. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a piece of tofu and cut it into dices. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the tofu dices into the pan. Make sure the tofu dices lay evenly. Now crack 3 eggs. Pour the egg into the pan. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Get the tofu and egg out from the pan. Mince some garlic and cut some chilies. Clean the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the garlic and chilies into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Put the tofu and egg into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Now add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry again. Add some water and let it cook for a while. Water will help the tofu to absorb the taste of the seasonings. In the meantime, we can cut some chives. Add the chives into the pan. Stir fry until the chives are cooked. In the end, add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.